Is this the best hotel view in Niagara Falls, or just hype? Today we are staying at the iconic Niagara Falls Casino Resort, and I'm going to show you exactly what it's like, from the rooms to the views, to whether it's actually worth your money. Welcome back to Enjoy the View, where we explore some of the most beautiful places and experiences around the world, one view at a time. Today, we're at Niagara Falls, checking out one of the most popular stays in the city. It is the Fallsview Casino Hotel and Spa. As soon as you walk into the Niagara Falls Casino Resort, you can tell this place is built to scale. The lobby is massive, with a luxury feel, and direct access to the casino, restaurants, and entertainment. So let's walk in and let's see what it is all about. As you can see, the lobby is very spacious. It is built to impress. It is really pretty. It is Sunday, and a very popular show will be held today at the OLG stage twice, so the resort is very lively today. But first, let's see if this hotel is right for you, and does it have the best views overlooking the falls? Let's take a look. It's a nice, decent room. You have champagne, look at that.
Oh, look at that. Enjoy.
The only thing is, the view is obstructed due to heavy fog. But let's hope later on we'll see more. But for now, I can show you the room. It is a connecting room. It's the bathroom. It's nicely sized. It's a shower. Yeah, pretty decent room. A decent bathroom. Very clean, which is important. Nice carpets. And this is bonus. Look at this. There's a small coffee maker, safety box, ironing board, iron, extra pillow. Well, all in all, it is a decent room. Really nice.
Nice pillow, nice bed.
Yep. And let's hope we're gonna be able to show you more than just white fog. Stay tuned. The fog definitely needed clearing, so we took the time to go to the OLG stage and see the show. We're not allowed to record parts of the show, but image taking is allowed. So Circus Maximum Velocity is today's show, and here are some of the highlights for you to see before we make the second attempt to show you the room views. So enjoy. Now, is this not the best view overlooking Niagara Falls? We have seen the falls views from high-level Hilton hotel rooms, Embassy Suites, Sheraton Falls view, the Brook, but this view blew me personally away. It is like the falls are right beneath your room. The view does not get better than this. What do you think? Have you stayed at a hotel at Niagara Falls with better views? Let me know. Not only the views are worth mentioning at the Fallsview Casino Resort Hotel and Spa. Room service and luxury touch is certainly worth mentioning. For your extra comfort at the resort, you can get or purchase many extra items that make your stay enjoyable and memorable. And we are not done yet. Let's explore what else this great resort has to offer. Let's see how the view is from the other side. It's beautiful. Here's a Hilton Hotel, and there's the entrance to the resort over here. pretty view from the 20th floor. Beautiful. And here's the pool and spa area. So if you like spa treatments, this is the place to go. And there's the gym area. Yeah, they have a decent sized gym. And here's the pool area. Everything is clean. Oh, that looks pretty. It's the pool area. Don't want to disturb anybody, but it's a pretty clean pool. It is very clean. It's very enjoyable place. Some washrooms here. It's really clean. What else to say about Fallsview Casino Resort Hotel and Spa? Is it worth a while? Is it worth staying here? If you like gambling, you're at the center core. But even if you don't gamble and want to enjoy top views, great amenities, amazing shows, and simply want to meet your friends over the weekend, Fallsview Hotel and Spa is certainly worth your money. We always have tons of fun, and every time we learn something new about this place. Niagara Falls region has so much to offer. There is so much to explore. So pack your bags, make your plans, as this full destination is waiting for you. I hope we did not disappoint. If you liked the video, like and subscribe, as this means a lot to us. So long, see you at our next adventure, and enjoy the view.